right, before we digress any further, Dan O'Toole is the CEO and founder of Arrive AI. Their ticker symbol is ARAI.
One of our favorites.
One of our favorites. And this is a rocket that is launched, and man, I'm telling you, the sky, Mars, it's going to go to Mars. That's how powerful this rocket is. And this is how
it's like kind of Jetsons. I
get it is
the
very
Jetsons vibes from this, right?
How well Arrive AI is doing. Daniel, how are you, my friend?
Hey, I'm great. How are you guys today? That's hard to follow that pre-log you guys just did. Am I here?
Well, and you have to remember too, we get paid for this. So that's what, a lot of people go, really? Oh, it's quite the talent you have, Mr. Costa. Dan, was it recently you rang the bell in New York City, or is it upcoming?
Yeah, both. We rang it July 3rd of last year. That was our debut opening bell. And then July 13th of this year, we're going to ring it the closing bell for NASDAQ.
Okay. Cool. For someone who is, I've known people who've been there on the floor or inside the building when a company has done that. But if you can, especially for a company like yours that literally has taken off like a rocket, how special is that for Arrive AI?
I'm gonna show you. This is how special it is.
Good Lord.
Oh, cool.
This is, that's the opening bell when we went on the market, and we had 400 people. You can only have 100 on the stage.
Yeah.
We tried to to get as many as we could. So out of the 400 that showed up, we were able to have 300 or 100 join us on the stage ringing the bell. So that it's a bucket list opportunity. It's something everybody wants to do. I think something I certainly always wanted to do since I was a kid. I can't believe I did it. I still can't believe we accomplished
myself
that.
Moment, right? How many people do you have that work for Arrive AI?
We're just under 50 right now, 47.
Was it as fast as you are growing and the rate of momentum that Arrive AI has? Are you anticipating much more workforce in the next couple of years?
We had a plan to hire 200 more people next year in 2027. And with all the AI that we're employing right now, we're Arrive AI. You can't spell Arrive without AI.
Exactly.
But we are now going to plan to hire about 40 additional people next year. So about 20% of that 200. That's how big of an impact AI is having on an AI company.
Dan O'Toole is the CEO and chairman of Arrive AI. Their ticker symbol is ARAI. ArriveAI.com is the website. So Dan, we're almost at the half point of 2026. How has the year gone so far for Arrive?
You're freezing up on me, man. Are you still here?
We're still here.
Yeah, we are ready. I lost you for a second, but I think I understood the question. How's the year gone? The year's going great. We're, look, the market is impatient. Everyone wants to see everything yesterday, just like we do. But we're executing every day. We're building a brand new technology that's in an emerging new market. Autonomous delivery and pickup. If you believe it's going to happen, we are the infrastructure play. We unlock the last 50% of all the value to be gained through unattended asynchronous delivery. That's us. So, if you look at Amazon and Google and Walmart, all these trillion-dollar market cap companies, they're all developing in this space. And those guys are all the commodities. We are the monopoly, the little piece of real estate, gateway to every home and business. Where every package delivery starts or ends, that's Arrive AI, ticker ARAI on the NASDAQ. Mike, make it happen, man.
Hey, Dan. Okay, so I hurt myself recently. I'm in a boot on crutches, and I can't do a lot of the things I normally do. So I'm ordering a ton. I have Amazon packages coming. I have DoorDash. I have Instacart. I've got just packages galore. And I can't go multiple times. I have to go one time a day. So what does that look like, with Arrive AI kind of taking over this space? How does Arrive AI fit into that picture of just packages coming everywhere, different times a day?
Making Mary's life
make my life easier, which is what you're here to do. Talk to me about that.
Mary, get better. We need to go on your feet.
They all want me to get better because I'm complaining a lot, but yes.
Yeah. I believe it. I believe it. If you right now say you order a drone delivery, that's going to drop something in your yard. You're going to have to go out and get that. You order a robotic delivery. Guess what? The robot has to be there to meet you. You have to be there to meet the robot. When you have Arrive AI, we have your own access point. The items can deliver at their own cadence. We can keep them, your food warm. We can keep them cool. We can send you a notification. It's there. What about a day in the future here where all of your commerce goes through your Arrive AI app, your Arrive point, and then we archive all of your transactional history. Mary, you just said you're ordering all kinds of stuff. I personally order a ton of stuff. Half the time something doesn't show up, I'm waiting, wondering what happened. And it takes me, I can't remember who I ordered it from.
Yep.
When I figure it out, I find out, guess what? They canceled my order.
Right.
What if you had all like a real life, real time, homepage of all your commerce, and you could
Wow.
see what was happening in real, this order was canceled. This one will be there in 3 days, whatever it is. That's Arrive AI. We see a day when all your commerce goes through your Arrive point, your returns. You don't have to go to Kohl's or Whole Foods anymore. You pull up the last, purchases. You pick the item you want to send back. It alerts Amazon, dispatches UPS. You put that item in your Arrive point. You don't need to find the receipt. You don't need to print a label. It goes back seamlessly. You get your credit. Life is good.
And it all goes through you. So if you're wondering where it is, I'm usually going, oh, DHL or what? I'm trying to figure out where to track down where the package is. But that would be, you'd be the one point, Arrive point.
The only point.
To where I could go on and chat or email or find out what the heck's going on.
That's it. Everything's going to funnel through Arrive AI. We're controlling everything. We're going to, be able to just orchestrate pickups, deliveries, having a marketplace for pickups. We'll be able to advertise what you want to send back, get you the best rate at the fastest turnaround time. It's all right there. A shipping store at your door.
Dan, we got about 30 seconds left with you. Always great when you're on the show, and we always look forward to you coming back on. I've asked you about the first half of the year. What does the rest of 2026 look like?
Hey, we're accelerating, man. We're right on plan. We're blowing it up. We got new IP being granted, very regularly. If you check out our press releases, you'll see that. So our patents are getting stronger. We've got the biggest, best team we've ever had. We continue to add to that. We're taking down great capital. So we're well financed, and we're executing on this new paradigm of autonomous delivery and pickup. That's the future. That's the Jetsons. They had it right. That's
Love it.
Love it.
CEO, founder, Arrive AI, Dan O'Toole, ticker symbol ARAI. The website, arriveai.com. Daniel, always appreciate it.